In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new items in ERPNext. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a new item record, fill in its essential details, and save it so it's ready to use in your transactions. Let's get started from your ERPNext home screen. First, look for the global search bar, usually at the top of the page. In that search bar, type the word item. As you type, ERPNext will show you a list of matching options below. This quick search is the easiest way to navigate directly to the part of the system you need, without clicking through multiple menus. From the search results, find and click on Item List. This will take you to a page that shows all the existing items already set up in your system. Think of this as your master catalog, where you can review, filter, and manage everything you buy, sell, or track. It's a good idea to glance at the list or use the search within this page to make sure the item you're about to create doesn't already exist, which helps avoid duplicates. Now, to create something new, look for the button that says Add Item. This is usually located near the top right of the item list page. Click on Add Item to open the item creation form. This form is where you'll define what the item is and how ERPNext should handle it in your processes. On the item form, start filling in the details. At a minimum, you'll usually want to provide an item name and, if required by your setup, an item code. Make the name clear and descriptive so other users can easily recognize it later. If your company follows a specific coding format, be sure to stay consistent with that. You may also see fields for item group, unit of measure, and other attributes. Choose an appropriate item group so reporting and categorization remain accurate, and set the correct unit of measure, like pieces, kilograms, or boxes, depending on what you're adding. The more accurate and consistent this information is, the smoother your future transactions will be. Once you've carefully reviewed all the details you've entered, go ahead and click on the Save button. After saving, ERPNext will create the new item record, and it will now appear in your item list and be available for use in documents such as sales orders, purchase orders, and invoices. That's all you need to do to add a new item in ERPNext.